It's usually just a design fluke if you have traffic. I mean, if you don't have traffic, you can't sell. So that's kind of step number one. But if you have traffic and it's not converting, um, two things that come to mind would either be what type of traffic is it. So if you have blogs, but they're all top of funnel, of course, I don't think that those have a very high chance of converting. But if you do have all of the things, bottom of the funnel service pages and the correct blogs and all of this sort of stuff, and you have traffic and it's not converting, it's usually going to be a user experience or a conversion rate optimization issue. Maybe your site is wonky and you don't realize it, or maybe the buttons don't work as intended. So there's always going to be ways to improve a website once you have traffic, but getting traffic is usually the difficult part. Yeah, we can look at page by page analytics, seeing what has traffic, what doesn't. We know where the CTAs are placed on sites, so we can take a look and see, you know, what's being engaged with and what's actually moving the needle or not moving the needle from that perspective. Um, Overall, though, we can kind of see just based in the data where people are going and is there a good way to capture that traffic. Maybe that means showing them a lead magnet, or maybe that means, pointing them to something that they wouldn't have normally been exposed to. Um, that's kind of based on the beauty of working with all these different brands is that some have insane lead magnet assets that we can just tack onto the site. Others we don't. And that's where we get to kind of put back on our entrepreneurship hats and think about, okay, if we were coming to the site, what would the customer want? What value add can we offer to them?